If you want to support my channel, hit subscribe and check out my book in the description below. We'd love you for it. By the way, here's kind of the scope of the gardens. I'm actually expanding them today and going to be messing with this right here. Dri-Zorb. It sounds like a distant science fiction planet. It is not. It is a substrate material made out of kind of shredded, reused, repurposed, if you will, corn husks for a variety of purposes, mainly to clean up like industrial spills, things like that, the natural way. I use this stuff here and there for mulch, to keep moisture around the base of plants. It has applications in composting toilets as well, and we'll get into that later in another video. Dri-Zorb. Ow, my foot.
I think I'm not going to cut any more from that plant because that plant looks like there's like 4 or 5.
So I'm cutting kale because we didn't know this either. But the proper way to do it is to start at the bottom.
I'm cutting no more off that plant.
Yeah, don't decimate them.
I'm trying to find the big leaves.
Yeah, so look at these. You start at the bottom of the plant, cutting the big ones as you go up. And you want to be sure to leave at least, they say, 4 undeveloped leaves at the top so that the plant can continue to produce and grow. These are the big boys right here we're cutting. We grew these from seed. Started them not all that long ago, and they've been doing great.
I need to get over there because the big ones are over there.
Yeah, you can actually probably walk around and hop on that wall.
I'm gonna try to
somehow. Yeah, we'll get this on film if you fall in. I'll get the camera down low. It looks like you're in a jungle. 12-foot kale plants.
There you go. I'm gonna cut maybe one more in the bring.
Yeah, that's a lot. We don't want
to. Actually, do
use
we
it
need any
all.
more? No, we don't need.
Here's the green beans. They're coming in nicely. And cherry 100s tomatoes. Some other stuff we started later too. This is going to be jalapenos, more tomatoes, different varieties, the Cherokee purples, more tomatoes, bell peppers, winter squash, Oregon snap peas, and more. Just a dab will do ya. Basically like really fine mulch, but not dyed with all that nasty crud you find in some of the other brands, all the red dye. Not the case here. The great thing too is when it rots, it's actually turning into compost because it's all natural. It's just shredded corn.